Hello everyone, welcome to Drawlibar channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to create a channel on Telegram. Now the first thing you have to do is open Telegram, then tap on this pencil icon, then tap on new channel. Now from here enter the channel name, then from here choose channel profile picture, then tap on this icon. You can also leave it without profile picture. Now from here type some description which is optional. So I will type Drawlibar, then tap on this icon. Here you can see channel type option. You can choose public or private. If you select public, then your channel can be found in search and anyone can join. Or if you select private, then people can join your channel only via invite link. Also from here you can set a custom public link. So I will type, then tap on this icon, then tap here. Now you can see our channel has been successfully created and now we can start broadcast something. And that is how you can create a channel on Telegram. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.